Marcus Tullius Cicero, Epistulae Ad Atticum, Episode 15. Recall that we are using the Tyrrell edition of Cicero's letters, available in the public domain, and this is from volume number 1. At the beginning of the letter, Tyrrell gives us some information about the dates of its composition, and he gives his own summary of the contents. So, written at Rome to Atticus, who was at Athens, toward the end of January, ab urba condita, AUC, from the founding of the city, the 687th year. So Rome was founded in 753. 687 years from that would be BC 67. Aetate Ciceronis, that means in the year of Cicero's life, year number 39. Because he was born in, we add these numbers, he was born in 106. Now the summary of the contents. De mutuo literarum commercio, de domo Rabiriana Neapoli, a Manleo Fanteo empta, de animo quinti fratris in Pomponiam, de patris morte, de Tusculano ornando. So the letter contains a discussion, de mutuo commercio, on the mutual interchange of their letters, the back and forth of their letters. It talks about the home, domo, the home of Rabirius, the domo Rabiriana, at Naples, Neapoli, that was purchased, empta, a Manleo Fanteo, by Manlius Fanteus. It also discusses de animo, concerning the attitude, the animo, or the disposition, of his brother Quintus, Quinti Fratris, toward Pomponia. So Quinti Fratris is the brother of Cicero, Pomponia is the sister of Atticus, and they were married to each other. De patris morte, on the death of his father, Cicero's father, and on the decorating, de ornando, of his villa in Tuscany, his Tusculan villa. Now the first sentence in the letter. Cicero Attico sal. Non commit tam post hoc ut me accusare de epistularum negligentia possis. So then, Cicero to Atticus sends greetings. Sal is short for salutem, health, greetings, and we supply dicit. He says, so Cicero, masculine singular nominative subject, he says hello, salutem, Attico, to the masculine singular dative, to Atticus. Now what does he say? Non commit tam. I will not allow, I will not permit. Commit tam is first singular, future indicative active, from the third conjugation verb committo, committere. I will not allow hereafter, after this point, post hoc, temporal adverb. And what will I not allow? The object of committam is this ut clause. I will not allow ut through possis. That, I will not allow hereafter, that me to accuse de epistularum negligentia for my negligence, my inattention or indifference to our correspondence. I will not allow you hereafter to be able, possis, to din me, to accuse me. So this noun-object clause, ut through possis, which is the object of committam, has as its subject the implicit subject of possis, which is a second singular present subjunctive active of the irregular verb posse. Posse takes as its object, you might say, accusara, the verbal noun accusara. So I shall not permit that you are able, ut possis. Able to do what? Able with respect to, or able to accuse, accusara. And the object of the verbal noun, accusara, is me, which is masculine, singular, and accusative, with reference, of course, to Cicero. That you accuse me. For what? De through negligentia. So this is one of the ways to express the making of an accusation, accusara plus de. Concerning what? De, and then the object of the preposition de is delayed. De negligentia, and this then forms a prepositional phrase with the genitive placed nicely in the center. Negligentia, feminine singular, and ablative, the object of the preposition de, concerning the indifference or slacking off on our correspondence. Epistularum, feminine, plural, and genitive. So what we will find in the next part is Cicero reproaching Atticus because he has taken so long to reply. Therefore, Cicero will not hereafter post hoc allow Atticus to reproach him on the same score.